Hello, I am Dr. Somen Shukla, professor at Access Colleges, Kanpur. Today we are going to talk about voltage multipliers. What is the meaning of voltage multipliers? For example, you are having a signal like this. This signal is having amplitude Vm, and if you want the output of twice Vm, that means 2 times of the peak amplitude of input, then you will need a circuit which is called as multiplier. Not only this twice Vm, if you need thrice Vm, if you need 4 times Vm, then the circuits which are used for such kind of purposes, they are called as voltage multipliers. So simply voltage doubler, tripler or quadrupler if peak value of input voltage is Vm, and if the voltage is doubled in the output, then it is called as voltage doubler circuit. If the voltage is tripled in the output, then it is called as tripler, and if the voltage is multiplied by 4 or 4 times of the input, then it is called as quadrupler. So the output of the circuit which is twice of input, that is called as voltage doubler, where Vm is the peak secondary voltage of the transformer, or the input which is present here, maximum value or the peak value of the input which is present in the that is, if that is Vm, then in the output, if we wish to have multiplied output with a certain value. So voltage doubler means in the output we want twice of the input. So how it works in the first half cycle or in the positive half cycle? Look, this is Vm and this is minus Vm. This is positive half cycle, this is negative half cycle. So in positive half cycle, this diode will conduct because this will become positive, and first half cycle will make this diode short circuit. So this capacitor will be charged with a value Vm, and in this cycle this diode will not conduct because it will be open circuited or reverse biased. In the first half cycle, when this is charged with Vm and when second half cycle comes, then what will happen? D1 switched off, this will become reverse biased and switched off, and then D2, this diode will start conducting, and capacitor C2 will be charged because this is short circuit. This capacitor is behaving as a battery of Vm volt, and here Vm is present in the second half cycle like this. So in total Vm this will make this capacitor charged with twice Vm. So after the second half cycle, when the next half cycle will come, the same process will be repeated, and this capacitor will be charged in with Vm, and this capacitor will be charged as twice Vm. So whenever you will take the output from this capacitor, you will get twice Vm, which is double the value of the peak input voltage. Now if we want to have thrice of the input voltage or 4 times of the input voltage, then this kind of circuit is used. This works as doubler, tripler, quadrupler at the same time. How? The concept is same as it was there in the previous case, that in the first half cycle this diode will be charged. When this diode will only be charged when this circuit will conduct, or this diode is forward biased. In that case, this diode is forward biased, this diode is reverse biased. So only this circuit will conduct, and this capacitor will be charged with Vm amount of voltage. In the next half cycle, this Vm and this Vm makes twice Vm. This capacitor will be charged with twice Vm. In the next cycle, this twice Vm will make this capacitor charged with twice Vm. Why? Because if this is twice Vm, this is twice Vm, this is not conducting because this twice Vm is having negative here, and this is P region. So this diode will be open circuited, and this circuit will conduct. So this twice Vm will be charging this capacitor C3 with twice Vm, and the same process will repeat in the next half cycle. This circuit will conduct and this capacitor will make C4 charged with twice Vm. So after these many cycles, what you will get, that this capacitor will be charged with Vm, this will be with twice Vm, this will be with twice Vm, this will be with twice Vm. And if you wish to have 4 Vm at the output, then you can get the output from these 2 points. If you wish to have twice of the input peak value, then you can have it from these 2 points, right? And if you want to have thrice of the peak value of the input, then you can get between these 2 points, thrice Vm. So this is how the simple circuits called as voltage multipliers work. Thank you very much.